let's take a tour of the property. It's all solar here, which means if it's not sunny, you have to be chill with your power. And this is, I forget your name. Hola. And then these are the songbirds. Which is just nice. Right outside the kitchen window. And God willing, this place will prove to be actually relaxing. I take nothing for granted. Some cactus. I mean, it's obviously relaxing, but is there anything about it that proved to be problematic? Such as, well, I don't want to talk about it. I'm not going to go run through all this. Let's go see if we can find the goats. But the owners who live in Texas said that, well, there might be somebody moving in on October 1st. Maybe. And I was kind of like, well, you know, I'm a day away and I'm a sure thing, you know. Barring some unforeseen circumstance, you know, there's got to be a trial. You got to make sure that it works and that it all vibes right, you know, of course. That doesn't take that long. Minutes, you know, seconds. And I'm like, you know, without like acting all entitled, I was kind of like, well, I mean, I'm 1 day away and I want to stay for longer than 2 months, so you know, they were like, well, you know, you might have to leave on October 1st. We're not sure, because they might want to move in. And I mean, I might not stay through the end of the weekend. I might leave tomorrow, for all I know. But then money came in from Florida, so the fact that it's kind of a foregone conclusion and that the money for October has been taken already, it's like, okay, that's cool, as long as it's like not a sitting around thing. Mosquitoes are exploding on my arm. going on, dude? Let's see, I hear geese. What's up, guys? Oh, that's too bad. Oh, that's better. Hola. Hola, chivos. Chavos. ¿Cómo está? I don't know the word for goats. I just learned it like an hour ago and I forget. ¿Cómo está? Oh, very good. Very wonderful. You hungry? No, you're not hungry. What's up, dude? I've heard that you guys eat anything. Is that true? Look at you and your horns, man. Wow. Wow. Bueno. Chickens. Ducks. That's cool, huh? So anyway, so we might be here for a couple months. If it all works out, God willing. And I mean that. I'm well past the point of seeing something that's shiny that I like, and asking God to conform His will to make me get my shiny thing. You learn the hard way, but God is really merciful. But you actually want God's will. If God says no, you really don't want it. You really don't. Proverbs 10:22. The blessing of the Lord maketh rich, and He addeth no sorrow with it. Something like that. So, it sometimes applies, often does not. So, anyway, first day on the farm. Jalisco, Mexico. Estado de Jalisco. Bienvenidos. Hasta luego.